Assalamu alaikum, Eid Mubarak. It is Eid-ul-Adha in my country Bangladesh, and we are celebrating this day. And they are students of Hifz madrasa, but they don't get opportunity to celebrate at home because they have lots of duty. So they are now at madrasa. So today is Eid day. So I have purchased some ice cream, and I've given them, and they are having this ice cream. And most of the time I like them. So most of the time I come to them and I pass my time. So today it's Eid day, and I feel very sad because they don't get opportunity to go home and enjoy their life. And I have talked with lots of students. Look, they have said that they feel sad. They don't get opportunity to go home, but definitely maybe in the afternoon they will return their home and enjoy the day with their families. So have a good day and Eid Mubarak.